Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ali. Today I'm going to show you how you can create population map using Google Earth Engine. So the data set we are going to use is GHS population grid multi-temporal, and you can see it's available till 2030, and here you can get information and resolution is around 100 meter, and here the description you can read. So this is the map. You can see the yellow one representing higher, uh, and the lower one. So it's actually the persons per cell. And first of all, I loaded my region of interest. You can see, and then I clipped. And after clipping, then I added layer, and I added legends, and then I added like different layers. So you have to follow the video and watch the code. Then where it will be necessary, I'll keep explaining. So here you can see if it's population count, so you can change the legend according to your own needs. For example, it's person per cell, or you can type person per cell, or what kind of legend you want, you can just adjust it. And for example, if I am typing here person per cell, so later I will click on run and it will be like changed. Sorry. And here I'm showing you that this like black one is representing 0 1, and the you can see red, yellow. So let's move to the code, and via this way I loaded the stop genocide against Palestinians in Gaza under legend. So in this way you can like just adjust, and here's the main thing which is actually noticeable. Here I added the function and scale. Whenever you will click on map, the scale will be changed. So for example, it's showing scale 30.6 at 30.6 kilometer. You are watching this, and for example, if I will change, or I mean to say, if I will zoom out or zoom in, the scale will be changed, and whenever I will click on the map. So here you can see scale is like 7.6 kilometer. So it's changing with the zoom out and zoom in. So this is the main function. You can also set scale, that how it's changing. For example, you can see as I changed, for example, I'm zooming out, and you can see here it's showing me scale that 61.1 kilometer, and then I zoom in, and now it's showing me that 37.6 kilometer. So we are this way, this scale is very helpful. I added function, that map on click. Whenever we will click on map, so the scale will be changed. So this is the function I added, and I also added functions. For example, if like scale is being increased than 1,000 meters, so it will be like changed into kilometers. So via this way you can like here I added the function map on click. Whenever you will zoom out or zoom in and click on map, the scale will be changed automatically. So it's code, you can utilize it, and you can get population for your area, and you can also get printed total population count for your study area. Now let me click on run, and let's move to test this code on different study areas. So to save your time, I'm speeding up little bit video here, and you have to follow, and I will test it on different study areas. For example, right now I'm testing it on Pakistan, then later I will test this code on different other study areas. And here you can see person per cell changed as I changed earlier, and you can clearly see how colors mentioning that in which cell, or you can feel that where the percent per cells can be higher, their numbers can be higher. Now let me test this code on different study areas. Now I'm going to speed up this video to save your time and to show you this on different study areas, and you will see how scales changing, how it's giving us different output. Okay, so what you have to do, for example, I'm going to uh, load my assets, then I'll copy my shapefile table id and paste here, and then I will just simply click on run, and rest of the code will be same, and you will see the different results. For example, here I'm using this Philippines Conquera, and when you can simply copy table id, and you just have to replace it with the region of interest. So what I will do, I will just replace this one table id with my new shapefile. So I just replaced, and now click on run, and you will see it will take me to the area. Now for example, if it's like a zoom out situation, actually I selected scale on 489, so you can just simply zoom in, you will get your area. For example, I'm zooming in, and it will take me to the area, and here you can see municipality of Karquera, and here's the that area, and you can see at 7.6 kilometer scale we just loaded our area. It's very small, like it's a municipality, and you can see total population count is like 86. So via this way you can get any study area population and statics. So it's very easy, just you simply have to replace the table idea, and you will get this study area like this. So I hope that you liked the video. Now I'm testing it on going to test it on Lahore. So have a nice day, and if you are new to the channel, so please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.